Welcome to another update from Force 13's regional AU channel. Bureau of Meteorology Perth has issued a top priority severe weather warning for damaging winds, heavy rainfall for people in parts of the Gascoyne district. Severe thunderstorms developing through the district this afternoon. Severe thunderstorms are triggering on a cold front moving eastward through the Gascoyne this afternoon. Severe thunderstorms only produce damaging winds, heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations that may be affected: Meekatharra, I'm not sure if I pronounced that one right, Kew and Three Rivers. There's also a flood watch for the southern Pilbara and Gascoyne coast, flooding possible, and a low pressure system associated trough near the Gascoyne coast is expected to move inland during today and continue to move east during Sunday. 30 to 60 millimetre of rain has been observed across the area in the past 24 hours, with catchments becoming saturated. Bureau of Meteorology has various warnings in place. We've got a new one, and we start off with the damaging surf for the northern rivers and mid-north coast forecast districts. A low pressure system expected to deepen off the far northern New South Wales coast overnight into Sunday morning, with strong southerly winds developing associated with large waves. Heavy surf may lead to localised coastal erosion, and beach areas exposed to southerly wave directions are most at risk. Significant wave heights of over 5 metres also possible. Beach conditions in these areas could be dangerous, and people should stay well away from the surf. The Bureau of Meteorology also has a severe weather warning for damaging winds for people in parts of the northern rivers, mid-north coast and the northern tablelands forecast districts. Damaging wind gusts along the northeast coast overnight and into Sunday. Low pressure system over the far northwest Tasman Sea will continue to deepen, remain slow moving off the northeast New South Wales coast overnight before moving eastward away from the coast late on Sunday. This will lead to a strengthening in the southerly winds along the coast and nearby inland overnight into Sunday morning. Strong southerly winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour, with damaging wind gusts of around 100 kilometres an hour possible along the coast. Nearby inland between Crowley Head and Cape Byron, including Port Macquarie, Goffs Harbour and Ballina. These conditions are most likely about the exposed coast and higher exposed terrain, and may also develop over the Dorrigo Plateau. The potential for damaging wind gusts is expected to develop late this evening through much of Sunday morning and easing on Sunday. Locations that could be affected, as mentioned, but repeating it again: Goffs Harbour, Port Macquarie, Yamba, Sawtell, Dorrigo, and I think it's Woolgoolga. Bureau of Meteorology has in place a separate severe weather warning for Lord Howe Island. Usual information: wave height could exceed 5 meters. Various coastal waters wind warnings in place, and here in Queensland a severe weather warning for damaging winds for the southeast coast, and small area damaging wind gusts possible about the ranges near the New South Wales border early Sunday morning. Damaging wind gusts with peak gusts of around 100 kilometres an hour possible over ridge tops, northward facing slopes of the ranges from early on Sunday morning. Locations which may be affected include Springbrook. Now we have a look at the latest instability from 1600 hours through to 2200 hours tomorrow, or 10 AM on Monday. Current capital city temperatures at the time of doing this update: 13.4 in Sydney, 11.9 in Melbourne, just under 18 here in Brisbane. Perth is 15, Adelaide 14, Hobart just under 11, 9.6 in Canberra and 30.8 in Darwin. Now we have a look at precipitation and pressure. Information at the bottom of the graphic. Information is sourced from the BSCH, Brisbane Storm Chasers headquarters. And the lows expected to track off the Queensland coast and away sometime Sunday. Now the winds at the 850 millibars level. And for Perth, southern region of Australia, the southeastern region, the eastern region up here to at least Fraser Island, we're not in the clear. The rainfall outlook clearly shows that the rain is not going away. The Bureau of Meteorology has us on a La Nina alert, which means 70% possibility of a historic third round of the La Nina. And this is a view of Brunswick Heads. Now, the Bureau's total forecast of rain. Force 13's regional AU channel is providing a automated streaming service considering what is taking place, and at times we take the live audio off our earthquake channel. And we are fine tuning some of the scenery, and the rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen, and look at the area in blue and the final graphic, 1 day 1 to 8, and you can clearly see again it's the southeast corner of Queensland right down to Port Macquarie. We will be keeping a close eye on both the WA and the New South Wales Queensland scenes.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.